Hey guys, Aaron here. Welcome to today's video. If you haven't already, check out the other videos on my channel. A lot of it is about getting started investing, some of my first investments, and also advice on there that maybe you can utilize to help get you involved in the world of long-term investing. Today's video came off the back of a topic or a conversation I had with one of my clients, and that was about when is the best time to get involved in investing? And it's a common question that most people have, and definitely when I started my investing journey, it's a common question that I brought to my financial advisor in order to get a bit of an understanding as to when is the right time to invest. So let's set the scene, a little bit of a playback to kind of where most people are at when they make this decision. So if you're a beginner investor, you say you've saved up your first $1,000 towards your investing to get started and build an investment portfolio. You've set up a trading account, followed some of the basic principles and picked an ETF or multiple ETFs to look to buy into, but you're unsure when the actual right time is to get invested. Should I buy now? Do I wait for a little while? Do I buy when it's high? Do I buy and wait when it's low? When it's red? When it's green? There's so many questions to ask. And it comes back to the basics of keeping things super simple when it comes to investing. So this is definitely a thought that I had myself when I started investing, and a thought that I continue to battle with over time, and I'm sure you will as well, because human nature to not want to wait and want to get in at the perfect time. And there is no perfect time to get involved in investing so that you can get sort of the best deal. And this is why it's important to define your personal philosophy or your personal goal outcome that you want when you're investing. So if you're looking to be in the market for a very long time, then you have to continue to remind yourself that you are in it for the long term. So a great quote that I've got here is, "Our stay put behavior reflects our view that the stock market serves as a relocation center at which money is moved from the active to the patient." And this is by Warren Buffett. So practically saying that the patient people win out in the big long-term picture. So if you find something that you like the look of, it matches up with your investment philosophy, being that it's long-term, then the right time is now. One quote that comes up to me when I think about this is, the best time to get started in investing was 10 years ago, and the second best time is today. So taking that opportunity whenever you feel that it's ready, you feel that you've got those outcomes or your goal, your philosophy identified, and you understand what you're actually getting into investing for in the first place, then you can actually look to make an investment. So don't wait. Don't look for next week when the market's low or trying to buy the dip or anything like that. Just get into the market to start with and then look to be able to dollar cost average or add to your portfolio over time. So hopefully that advice helps, guys. Check out some of the other videos on my channel. And if you haven't already, like, subscribe to the video, and hopefully you guys can get updates as we move along in this journey. If you have any other questions, guys, post them in the comments below, and I'll hopefully get around to making some videos on those topics as we move along. So thanks, guys. Bye.